Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a cute Pusheen milkshake. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the top of the glass. Let's draw a line across here. Next, let's add the ears. Let's draw a curved triangle shape up and over like this. And let's do the same thing on the left side. Now from the sides, let's draw lines out. Next, let's draw the sides of the cup. Let's draw a long line down on both sides. Then from the bottom, let's continue it down, curving it in like this. Now let's do the same thing on the right side and connect it at the bottom. And that's it for the basic shape of the glass. Let's add the face inside next. Let's start near the top in the center and let's draw a curve down and over. And the same thing next to it to the right. Let's draw the eyes next. Let's start with a circle on the left here. And the same thing on the right. And let's color both eyes in black. Next, let's add the whiskers. We'll start on the right side and let's draw two lines out like this. And the same thing on the left side. Now let's move down and let's add the paws. Start here and draw a curve up and over like this. And the same thing on the right. And now below the hands, let's add the feet. Let's move down to the bottom and let's draw a curve up and back down. Next, let's hop up to the top and let's draw the stripes on the top of the head. Let's start underneath the middle section and draw two lines down, curving them together at the bottom. And let's do the same shape on the left here. And one more on the right. Next, let's add some detailed glass lines. In between the hands here, let's draw a curve here. And then from either side, let's draw a long line down in between the feet. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Now let's draw a similar shape on the left, but curved. So next to the hands here, start with a small curve. And then we're going to curve it down next to the feet. And then close off the bottom. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the main part of the glass. Let's draw the bottom now. Underneath, let's draw two curves down. And then connect both sides with a curve. And that's it for the glass. Let's add the whipped cream on top next. Let's start next to the left ear and let's draw a large S curve up like this. Then from the top, let's curve it back down next to the other ear. Now underneath the top, let's draw another S-curve down to the side of the glass. And then on the right side, one curve down like this. Next, let's add some sprinkles inside. Let's start in the left section and we're going to draw a curved rectangle shape like this. And let's do the same thing in the bottom right section. And lastly, let's add 3 in the middle section. And that's it for this Pusheen milkshake. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!